So I've filed this case of SLP essentially against a wrong judgment given by the Division Bench of Calcutta High Court. But that really stemmed the basic issue in the whole matter was that it's an illegal order was given by the State Bank of India where they've taken money from my account during the moratorium period given to me by themselves in writing. And I can show
What
you.
was that moratorium period?
I'll tell you, ma'am. If you can kindly come to page 1.
Possession has already been taken.
His essay has been
No, ma'am.
Has possession been taken?
That was a long time ago. This is a different issue. The issue is here, ma'am, that if you kindly just come to page 114.
14 implementation order.
Section 14 order has been implemented. Possession has been taken. No,
My case is not against possession. My case is against that. See, if you can kindly just look at page 114, then I'll come to the next step.
Yes.
Just give me that much.
114.
Page 114.
Yes.
See, ma'am, I had a credit limit with the bank of 3.5 crores. 2 crores was LC limit and 0 working capital term limit. They restructured my account, made the LC limit 0 and my working capital 1 crore 62 lakhs. Now, ma'am, if you can kindly come to page number 118.
Yes.
You see, if detailed terms and condition, loan tenure 72 months, repayment schedule 6 years, moratorium 12 months for the payment of principal and interest.
Yes.
First installment to start from 30th June 22, 1 year later. Now, ma'am, if you can come to the bank statement, my bank statement of page
No,
number.
your contention is that the amount which came to your account was taken away.
Exactly. During the moratorium period given to me by the bank itself. Ma'am,
That has been adjusted to the outstanding debt.
no, there was no
dues.
outstanding. I was not liable to pay.
Why?
Because of the moratorium, ma'am. See,
No, moratorium doesn't mean you are not liable to pay.
I'm
You
liable.
are a debtor. You are a debtor. The amount which came has been appropriated by the bank.
It's not supposed to be appropriated by the bank.
All right, at some point of time, you have to pay that.
That is,
You have saved the interest to that extent.
pardon
With
me?
them taking it.
No. Ma'am,
You have
in the
saved
next
the
line,
payment.
the first installment will start on 30th June 22, 1 year later. That money was given to me by my customer to complete a project and get my 7.5 crores.
No, now we wanted to know this 2/5/2025 order direction was issued by the learned single judge to take possession in terms of section 14 of the
Yes.
SARFAESI.
Yes.
Have they taken possession?
Yes.
Then how we can help you?
No. I don't want to help you repossess my flat property, ma'am. I am come see, ma'am. There are various Supreme Court judgments which say clearly the courts are not liable to perpetuate an illegality. Rather, it is the duty of the court to rectify the
No,
mistake.
you see, if the amount has been appropriated by the bank towards your loan account,
No, ma'am, it is
One
not.
minute.
It is not. That's what I'm trying
to
to.
that extent you are saving interest.
Ma'am, there's no special interest. No, sir.
18.
No, sir. So sorry. I'm interrupting you.
Even against the essay, order passed by the DRT,
Yes.
why don't you take it up in appeal?
Yes. We went to the High Court.
Not High Court, appellate tribunal.
High Court has relegated him to appellate tribunal.
Yes.
Ma'am, there's multiple Supreme Court orders that if it's a violation of my fundamental rights, I'm allowed to go to High Court for under section 227, which I did. See, ma'am, the only point I'm trying to make to you is in every case, every court of the country, they've ignored my basic point, which is I am not liable to pay any amount during the moratorium period. In fact, there's a judgment of the Supreme Court, KK Modi versus
All
K.
right,
Modi,
now.
1998.
You,
Ignoring main point of one party is
see,
the power.
this point, you have taken up before the debts recovery tribunal.
Yes, but
Now,
yes, sir,
you are not successful in before the debt
No,
DRT. You
Ma'am.
file an appeal.
No. Please hear me, sir. Ma'am, hear me. At this point, very good point you have raised. Sir, during the hearing, I mentioned to the judge that dated 1/10. I will tell you the page number also. That I am not liable to pay any, see, what was the reason I went to the single bench of Moshmi Bhattacharya, Justice Moshmi Bhattacharya? That I was made NPA wrongly. How was I made NPA wrongly? They took money from my account during the moratorium period. They take my money and then say you defaulted in your payment of your home loan XYZ, but I'm not liable to pay that. That is the only reason I went to the single bench for the High Court. And ma'am, Justice Moshmi Bhattacharya gave me relief. She saw the fraud that had been played and gave an order dated 3rd November saying to return the money within 90 days.
What happened to
What
that
happened to
order?
that order?
Then they appealed to the division bench
Division
of
bench.
Justice Sevak Nanam.
Was set aside.
That order was,
Sir, you are very right. It was set aside. But by ignoring the main point of my petition.
Please answer
against
this
that
question.
order, what did you do?
For us.
Pardon me?
Against the order passed by the earlier division bench,
Huh.
did you come up before?
Yes,
the
I
court?
went to the SLP.
Then-
I
What
came
hap-
before Justice Narasimha. Sir,
What
again,
happened to that SLP?
yes, a very interesting point. Let me allow me to tell you.
Dismissed.
Allow me to tell
That
you.
has been dismissed.
No, ma'am, but
Now
look at
you
the,
can't re-agitate that point.
no, you're not reacting the point. You're giving me relief. You have given Supreme Court judgment that courts cannot allow illegality to be perpetrated. See, ma'am, just hear me 2 minutes.
Now, the point is, that order has attained finality.
No, it has not.
It
because
has 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Now, the High Court says, if you have any point, you agitate before the DRAT. You go before the appellate tribunal. Your avenue is there. But you file a writ petition and then you have come here.
But ma'am,
That order is also not challenged before us.
Basic order of the DRT, you can assail.
yes, ma'am, DRT agreed, ignored my main point. That I,
DRAT.
ma'am, but there's nothing to do with DRT. It's an illegality committed by my fundamental
If
right
there
is
is
being
an-
violated.
If there is an illegal.
My natural justice being denied to me, ma'am.
If the DRT has passed an illegal order, what is the remedy? To file an appeal.
Yes,
Please do that.
I did that in under 227 in the High Court.
That is not an appeal. You have to go before the appellate tribunal under the statutory appeal
Ma'am,
provided under section
correct.
15 of.
If there was any deviation point of law, but here there's a point of legality. It's an infringement on my.
Point of law, point of legality, point of illegality, everything you can agitate before the DRAT.
No, ma'am, the DRAT is
come-
for, if there's a mistake.
If
in the-
everybody starts filing writ petition against DRT order, what is the use of constituting the appellate tribunal then?
Ma'am, let me, I just want to show you the,
That
Says-
order-
See that order he can comply.
ma'am,
Please see that order where you have been asked,
Page 299.
page 299, okay?
we'll permit you.
Is directed.
Paragraph
at the High Court.
16. We'll extend this time, you go before DRAT. This order you comply.
Okay, ma'am, here,
You-
just give
All
me,
contentions are left open.
ma'am, just give me
See,
2 more minutes.
Page
Ma'am, please give me,
293 order, in terms of that, you please go before the appellate tribunal.
ma'am, but there's a problem. There's a problem. I have to pay 50% of the demanded amount.
That is, there is also a proviso to that.
But
You
see,
go
ma'am,
and file accordingly. You say
ma'am,
that.
I have come to you, the Supreme Court, to give me relief under the fact that I've been, it's a legal, a
But
fraud has been played.
you can't come via writ petition. You have to come through a DRAT order. You can file a writ petition then we'll see if you are unsuccessful.
But,
We'll say, when will you file the appeal, say?
no, but ma'am, I don't have the money. I'm bankrupt. I can't find.
We
State
can
Bank,
practice, it's the best relief we can give you, that you go and agitate the point you have before DRAT. You can file an appeal within, say, 4 weeks or 1 month.
He won't file.
so ma'am, then please give me relief. At least you make it only 10% of the demanded amount.
That will not say, you file an application there.
Ma'am, at least you, see, if you're.
See, you file an application seeking reduction in terms of the proviso there. First file an appeal.
But ma'am, that appeal will not be maintainable, sir, without depositing the amount of money amount.
You have to pray for an exemption.
There you will have to make an
Let the DRA
application.
to take a decision on that.
Yes.
Against that decision, you can come up before us again.
Oh.
We cannot preempt that issue.
Sure, understood, very good, sir, very good, I'll do that. So then, ma'am, you please give me,